see that the buyer psychology has changed completely. So the whole market of the world was going through a financial crisis from America to all the way all of the world.
So now let's get back to the market
Yeah.
right now,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So, and there is a lot of transactions, a lot of selling processes,
Exactly.
a lot of activities, a lot of launches.
Yes.
Even during what we have been through.
Exactly. That's the game, bro. High
Right
risk,
now,
high reward.
Right now, I'm imagining in 2028, like
Yep.
everyone who's buy already like a unit now in one of these projects.
Yes.
I imagine what cabinet appreciation or what premium he might get in
Yeah.
2028.
Boom.
Like, hello, brother.
Hey,
Good
brother.
evening.
Good evening. my
Everything is
friend.
good?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes. Ahmad, how are you?
Everything, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Getting better and better every day.
Inshallah,
You know?
inshallah. I mean, yeah.
But I heard like so many projects are getting launched nowadays, right?
Yes, exactly. The UAE absolutely wants to show its.
And this indicates something.
Yes,
This is
this
what.
indicates something.
Yes, exactly.
All this is happening, but actually see how safe it actually is. And the moves that has been going on, you could see that it's mainly the government that is trying to push the business.
Right.
Yeah, and if we actually had a huge problem, we know that the government would try to stop all this business. You would not have all this cash flow or the business.
Actually, this is a so interesting idea.
Yeah, because let's say we have had previous crises like Corona, like the global market
We
crash,
all lived during
2008,
COVID, yeah.
2017, the ADNOC crisis. Yeah, let me just tell you about the quick ADNOC crisis also in this particular talk. But however, for every single thing that has happened in the past, the UA market has always shown very powerful resilience to it. And we've also noticed a change in buyer psychology as well. A lot of changes. The buyer has become smarter. The investors have become more, faster, rigid. The government knows what they're doing. The people over here know what's going on, and that's what makes this country absolute, a phenomenon of economic development.
Exactly. Yeah, I 100% agree. And I do agree on something, or I do believe something, that after you hitting the earth, actually there is no further,
Yeah.
So of course, following to what we are getting through already nowadays, I believe must be like an upward move, or actions, or so many sales and the market dynamics are getting up already. So this is something I'm 100% certain about.
Yeah, so this is absolutely certain, not just right now. If you just look at the data last Monday, 2.46 billion of transfers in Dubai.
Really?
Last week, yes. Despite all
my
these
God.
circumstances. Yep.
During the peak.
During the peak. During the
Mashallah.
peak, yep. And you just imagine, and we see that the buyer psychology has changed completely. The buyers are knowing that if I sell my project right now,
Yes,
I am
exactly.
not going to get enough profit. I'm going to lose my profit. The buyers did the mistake during the coronavirus situation. They did the same mistake during 2008 crisis. The whole market of the world was going through a financial crisis from America to all the way all of the world. And the same thing happened in Abu Dhabi in 2017 as well. But however, all the prices are more than what they used to be. So the buyer understands this. They don't want to sell it. But at the same time, there's something very crucial happening at this point.
Right.
There's a lot of not movements also. The buyers are just staying in their place. So previously, if any crisis used to happen, now this is a very important point here. Any crisis that used to happen, we see a lot of panic buys, panic sells. People used to sell a lot.
course.
I mean, I don't feel safe, I'm selling it off. But right now, the buyer psychology is in such a way that I don't know what is happening. So I'm not going to sell it, nor am I going to buy. So they're playing a safe game over here. But they also know that the market will rise.
But man, we need to talk about the motives.
Yeah.
What made them act like this instead of like normal selling behavior?
Yes.
They are going to buy,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So with what motives?
So exactly. So the government also wants to push the motives, the resilience, like, the buyer, as you said,
Okay.
we don't know. They're a little scared right now to just put in the money. They're confident of keeping their property right now.
Exactly.
But they're also a little skeptical of making the move. So the government is trying to give something a very different case that we have not seen before. We've seen distress deals happen in the secondary market, but right now we are seeing distress off-plan deals, bro. I've not seen this before. The government in off-plan projects are giving off things, amazing projects at a huge price cut. We're talking about almost, below the market price of the least project over there, like the least square feet area priced project over there. The government is giving you projects less than that price right now. Amazing projects.
You're talking about the governmental developers.
Exactly, the governmental developers. And this is so very important, Mr. Ahmad, because if the government developers make a move in an area, it means something is going to cook over there.
Of course. Does make sense.
Exactly. The MR South going to make something in the Dubai South region. After that, the Dubai airport was planned over there. So they know the inside information of some new development happening in that area. Otherwise, the government would not go and develop something over there.
And this takes us to a very critical point.
Yeah.
So you're talking about a specific area in Abu Dhabi, or
yes, exactly.
Or in general?
We're not just talking about Abu Dhabi. We're talking about Dubai as well. We're targeting two areas. So there were two projects during this period that were launched.
Okay.
The one was Tara Park by Modon.
Oh,
Yeah.
Modon, it's my favorite developer.
Yeah. So Modon, obviously, the entire Hudaryad making big waves, big moves.
Okay.
So this project is giving you 1,400 per square feet, bro.
You're kidding.
Yeah. I mean, the Ream right now, top projects is minimum of 1,800. They're working around like 1,800 per square feet, the price ranges. This project is at 1,400.
1,400.
1,400. And it's a community. And it's in center of Ream. And by Modon.
No. Talk me more about this.
Yes, and this is near the ADGM as well.
Okay.
So basically, the government wants to push the customer into making that transaction because this is a steal deal, obviously. A one bedroom for Modon in Ream for 1.6. Let's talk about the private developers over here, bro. One bedroom is trading at around 1.92 million minimum. And here in this project, I'm talking about 1.6 on average, not even starting.
So it means like there is a less price.
A huge less price.
For one bedroom.
Yes, a huge. Not just one bedroom, for every single type of configuration out there. This is the move made in the Abu Dhabi market.
Okay.
We have seen something done by Adar in Al Barari. The new project called the Wilds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I heard about it. It's in Dubai, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the Al Barari area is a very premium area, a premium zone. Offering a community with a forest style community. Yeah.
It's different lifestyle.
Square feet prices are to the roof, bro. And same, one bedroom, 1.6 again. Aldar 1.6, where have you heard this?
So now let's get back to the market.
Yes.
Okay. So as a conclusion from all what you said already, that the dynamics are already active right now.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So, and there is a lot of transactions, a lot of selling processes, a lot of activities, a lot of launches.
Yes.
Even during what we have been through.
Exactly.
And this must be like a clear and a solid assurance for the buyers and or potential customers to just go and invest.
Yes, it's an opportunity for them.
At least you just go and explore what's happening, right?
Yeah, more than explore. It's a steal deal you're getting right here. Nobody is doing a distress deal. Nobody is like massive selling their units right now in the secondary market. But then you have a massive gap over here. A lot of launches happening, like you said, by the government themselves and at a huge price cut. So just go for it. Just don't miss the opportunity.
In the meantime, we need to go through like our daily life. As a people, because as someone already Abu Dhabi resident, I have no changes in my lifestyles, or I don't feel anything actually in the streets. Every night we spend the night you spend a lot. We get a lot of activities during the night. We go out, we go lunches, we go dinners, we go to iftar, and we explore many places. And we found everything everywhere is safe.
It's safe.
Actually, nothing happened.
Nothing's really happening. No?
So we just by gathering those two pieces of information about the market and about the lifestyles, this indicates something.
Yeah.
Indicates we are actually no need for panic at all.
Exactly. Even, it states that we're actually absolutely safe here.
Yeah.
There's nothing to worry about.
Alhamdulillah.
Like my friend says, everything is fine, bro. Everything is fine over
You was
here.
telling me a story about your yesterday friend, and he just came here and find everything is well.
Yeah.
Oh man, what's happening?
Yeah, nothing's really happening over here.
Yeah.
And we're all safe. We're all outside.
Alhamdulillah.
We trust, the main superpowers that are taking
Exactly.
care of us.
Alhamdulillah, we are well protected.
Yes,
Yeah.
we are well protected in this place. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
And even in this stage, businesses are quite smooth. There's nothing to worry about. Your investments, your family, your time over here, everything is taken care of. Do not worry. Just go for the deal, man.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Inshallah,
Yeah.
inshallah, we'll have a lot of deals.
So exactly, for the intelligent investor,
Yes.
as well as the home buyers, the move that they must go right now is for off-plan new projects right now, and not for the distressed deals, because you're getting something offered better than a distressed deal. Why get an old project for a little less price, when you can get a absolutely new one for a huge, massive price cut down?
Exactly. It does make sense.
Yeah. It's like you're getting a second-hand car for, let's say, just 100-200 price cut down, but you're getting a brand new car for almost like the half the price or something.
Oh, which means
that's the
for the
comparison of what
investors,
you're
it means
getting.
like a huge capital appreciation.
A huge capital appreciation,
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. When he, let's say, modern Tara Park, 1,400 per square feet, a community inside Dream by a government developer. Same thing outside, it's like 1.82 million. It's what it's supposed to be valued at. It's trading at 1.6 on average. So you could see the potential that the new buyer is going to get. They want to reward the new buyer. So if you are taking the risk and going for this particular projects that are going to come up, you will be rewarded.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's the game, bro. High risk, high reward.
Right now, I'm imagining in 2028, like
Yep.
everyone who's buy already like a unit now in one of these projects.
Yes.
I imagine what capital appreciation or what premium he might get in
Yeah,
2028,
boom.
like after 1 or 2 years. I expect no less than like 1 million, right?
Yeah, could be more.
More.
I'm expecting more. Especially, look at the locations, bro. Near ADGM. There's the next business bay of UAE.
Okay.
Al Barari, bro. A top premium community in Dubai. And both are Addar and Moton, bro. We're talking about the biggest names.
Of course, everybody knows
And
Eldar and the modern.
they're giving you, exactly, and they're giving you such cheap products
Exactly.
without cutting down the quality.
Exactly. And alhamdulillah, we hope this crisis ends soon.
Yeah, inshallah, obviously, yes.
And everything will be okay.
Yes.
This is we are trust the Almighty in this.
Yeah, definitely.
Bro, thank you so much for showing
thank
me
you,
and
Mr.
all
Ahmad.
of our audiences. Inshallah,
Yeah.
inshallah. We will talk soon about the market dynamics, and inshallah, we'll discuss so many deals in the future, inshallah.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Thank you so much, my friend.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're welcome.